There are many methods for factoring trinomials. When a trinomial has the form x squared plus bx plus c, it's also said to have a lead coefficient of 1. This is because the coefficient of the term with the highest power is 1. When factoring a trinomial in this form, the first thing you have to do is make sure the terms are placed in descending exponential order. This means that you should start with the highest power, then descend from there. Our final answer will have two sets of parentheses with x as the first term in each, since that is the only way to end up with x squared. Determining the other term in each set of parentheses requires some work. Since the constant term is positive 18, we need to find factors of 18, or pairs of numbers we can multiply to get 18. To determine which pair of factors works, we need to look at the middle term. Since the middle term is 9x, we need factors of 18 that add to 9. Since 3 and 6 multiply to 18 and add to 9, we can try them as the values to fill the blanks in the parentheses. Now, let's multiply them out to check. It works! You can always check your answer to a factoring problem by multiplying and simplifying.